Crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today I'm going to talk about the Autofill Mode. When you put your mat into your machine, it will tell you over here that it is a paper size is 12 by 12. It automatically tells you what size that mat is. It defaults to the size of the mat. Let's say we want to cut out this little doll as many times as possible on our sheet of paper. So what you would do is you would press the Autofill Mode button, and then you press the cut button, and before it starts cutting, it's going to calculate and tell you how many you're going to be able to cut out of your, what I have set in here is a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. So I'm going to press the cut button and watch what happens here. It's calculating. And it said it will be cutting it 15 times. Now I'm going to cancel that because I don't really want to cut it. But it'll tell you 15 times that it'll cut out that shape of this paper. So when you're cutting out a lot of stuff, that's a really good thing to use. Then you don't have to, how many is it going to cut, and like with your quantity button, and so it's just a nice little shortcut. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at sellhandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.